Hey cruisers and drylanders, I am back on the Royal Princess sailing back-to-back for the holidays. In this video, I'm taking you along to show you how to prepare for a back-to-back cruise and exactly what to expect when transitioning between sailings. Let's go! For over 3 decades, I've been painting ocean scenes for my collectors worldwide, and now I spend a lot of time chasing them from a deck of a cruise ship I had an incredible 7-day Christmas cruise that I enjoyed very much, and I was getting ready to transition into my second leg. Since I booked it separately at a different time, I didn't have the same stateroom and needed to move into a new one. A quick note about your boarding pass that's in the app. It will show up as one continuous sailing even if you booked 2 separate weeks. It was a beautiful morning and I just had finished packing. If you are staying in the same stateroom, the big advantage is that you don't have to pack at all. My stateroom attendant told me the night before that I could leave everything on hangers in the closet and just pack the rest, and they would move it to the new room using a trolley. You might notice one of my cover-ups hanging in the closet. If you are curious, you can check them out on my website. And remember Mercedes? She was definitely ready to stay for another week.
I'm ready to go, but I put my stateroom number on here, although they didn't give me a luggage tag. It's my first time doing this. I'm German, gotta have the right room number on my luggage tag, right, for transit, so I did that.
They don't give you a luggage tag for the new stateroom, so just make sure your bags are clearly labeled. You'll receive a letter in your stateroom letting you know to bring your passport, medallion and transit card and where to meet at what time. You'll also receive a transit sticker to wear on your clothes. After a wonderful breakfast, I headed to the meeting point at the Crooner's Lounge. There were about 80 of us in transit, and after roughly 30 minutes, we were guided off the ship to go through customs. Going through customs was a breeze and very quick, but then things got a bit chaotic. First, they had us sit in the arrival hall, and then they decided to move us to another holding area. It seemed a bit unplanned, and I really felt for the guests who had a harder time walking longer distances.
We have 2 bags folks right here.
I've heard from other passengers that in different ports it might go more smoothly, but honestly you just never know what to expect. I just went with the flow, enjoyed the experience and was looking forward to being back on my ship.
Quick interruption, I have to toot my own horn. I'm so sorry. We'll be right back with the video. I'm sorry, my second language is English. I've been making this product since 5 years and I've been giving it away to friends. And now it's finally on Amazon, so I'm really excited about this. It's a sugar scrub with organic coconut oil, lavender oil, and organic sugar crystals. The stuff makes your skin glowing and soft and smooth. Try it out and let me know how you like it. Okay, back to the video. Thanks.
Have a seat, please. That would be great as well. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Just waiting for the ship to give us some clearance.
And then it was time to board the ship again.
In transits only. Welcome aboard. Have a great time. Have a good one. Welcome.
This is the transit. Yeah, you're in transit. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, it was so nice to be back on board and see this Christmas tree again. The whole process had taken around 90 minutes. I hadn't received information on when my room would be ready, so I just went up to check it out. My stateroom attendant had told me the day before that they prioritize rooms for transit guests. And everything was already ready. There was Mercedes and the rest of my clothes were all hanging in the closet. I am an elite member and even the bar was already set up. I started settling in and was ready to cruise for another week. What an amazing experience! Thanks for watching. I am Jenny Simon, artist and ocean lover. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a like and hit subscribe so you won't miss what's coming next. Thank you.